Hi, it's Raul. It's been quite a few months since my last episode. I've been preparing for my 2020 season, and I realized that I hadn't posted my episode of making my tomato sauce. I'm using some fresh bell pepper from the garden. I'll be using green, red, and yellow bell peppers for the sauce. I have 4.5 gallons of tomato puree from my paste tomatoes from the garden. It was processed and frozen during the season. I'll be cooking the puree down for a couple of hours to cook off some of the water and concentrate the flavor. Dicing up a bag of onions for a start. I cook down the onions until they become translucent. A little salt to help it along the way. These are Escamillo Italian sweet peppers. I won't bore you with watching me cut up the rest of the bell pepper. I added about 3 tablespoons of better than bouillon for a start, and a 12-ounce can of tomato paste to help thicken. The onions have cooked down, and it's time to put them in the pot. Next, I'll cook down the bell peppers. Some chopped celery and some roasted garlic. The rest of the vegetables have cooked down. Time to transfer them to the pot. Cajun Power garlic sauce. I used about 6 pounds of Italian sausage, purchased from my local Rouse's supermarket. The sausage is browned and chopped, and I strain the meat on the way into the pot. There's a lot of flavor in that liquid, but I just don't want all that fat in the pot. I'll use a total of about 6 pounds of ground chuck, chopped, browned, and drained. A cup of sugar to add a little sweetness. Sal and Judy's Italian seasoning. I use arrowroot powder for additional thickening. I mix it with a little cool water to create a slurry. Arrowroot powder provides thickening without the floury flavor of wheat flour. Throughout the cook, I've conducted many tastings and added ingredients to taste. Four gallons of tomato sauce. Into the freezer it goes. It will last the family through the fall, winter, and into the spring. This finally concludes my 2019 summer season. Please subscribe to my channel and join me in my 2020 vegetable gardening journey.